You are welcome back to Rima Healthy Way. It's an exciting moment to always meet with you. God richly bless you for visiting this channel. If you are a return subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you very much for all your support and everything. It's really appreciated. And if you're visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any question, or my Instagram, or my social media handle, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, TikTok, it's available on my channel and you can get to me through that. Thank you very much for coming. Don't forget to subscribe and you are welcome once again. So today guys, the recipe on my table is a very simple and a quick one. Today I am sharing kale salad recipe with you and you are going to love it. So at this point, I want you to know that every ingredient that you see here is already prepared for this video because of time. I don't want to take much of your time. So you first of all you have to thoroughly wash your kale with salt water. If you have vinegar, you can do that, but salt water is very effective, as I always say. And if you don't have white vinegar, don't bother at all. Sea salt water is very, very effective. So at this point, to begin with this recipe, you would like to add your extra virgin olive oil to your kale. You have to make sure that it's well mixed because we want our kale to be relaxed so that we will be able to enjoy our salad. So the next ingredients that we have on the table is fresh garlic. So guys, with the fresh garlic, if you are not good at eating or chewing fresh garlic, you can as well use garlic powder and it's perfect. So I'm also using red onions, and as you always know on this channel, whenever I use red onions for my salad, I keep them in cold water to take away some of the smell. So it is important that you do so the next ingredient is capsicum or bell pepper. And the other ingredient that I use on this recipe is carrots. And as I said, I prepared this earlier on and everything has been washed with salt water and soap. You will have to do it that way. You get your ingredients prepared and then your salad is ready just within 5 minutes. It's not even up to 5 minutes. It's so, it's so fast. So at this point, you would like to add your salt, your black pepper, and also if you are not using fresh garlic, then you are using garlic powder. So at this point, you can just add it. So note that I am using lemon zest and also lemon juice. Okay, so I'm using a full lemon, right? And before this recipe comes to an end, I would like to, as I always do, I would like to take us through the benefits that we gain from eating kale. Because today is the first time that I am introducing kale on my channel, and I would like you to know about it, which is very important. All right. So I want you to also know that I am using seeds on this recipe, and I'm using sunflower seeds and pumpkin seed. Okay. So guys, I want you to also know that kale has vitamin A, K, C, it has manganese, it has vitamin B6, it has calcium. And it also has copper, it has magnesium and potassium as well. I want you to know that kale is weight friendly and diabetic friendly. It is very good if you want to reduce or keep yourself in shape. I recommend kale for you. If you are a diabetic patient, it is also good for you. All right. So guys, I want you to know that it also has a powerful antioxidant property which helps you to reduce heart diseases and all those kind of stuff. So at the end of the day, I want to let you know that it is good for your skin, and it has beta carotene. All right, it's good for your health, your hair health as well, and you would like to give it a try. If you don't know about it already, kale can help lower cholesterol, and also it is the biggest source of vitamin K. It is the greatest source of vitamin K, okay? And you would like to go for it. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. But before we get out or we get off this video, this is your recipe. This is the end result. Here is it, and our salad is ready to serve. So as you can see, I'm just adding a little bit of my langanese honey to it, and this is another type of it. It's not creamy, it's normal for salads and all that. Thank you for coming. Till I come your way again next time, it's bye bye.